wrong with these niggas? 9. I can't help but count this chicken. Countless stacks of abundant living. Brand new house for all my children. Mama lay back watching all my children. Wifey inside getting thick as fuck. Little ass waist and a big old butt. Daddy pull up in a Tonka truck. I buy early, watch the stock go up. Ay. Me and my niggas celebrate, get tipsy. Cut, runneth over shit, came back frisbee. Whole high buzzing like a bee, get busy. Head spun around so quick, got dizzy. Recessions can turn into depression. Ain't nobody pressing, my nigga, we good. Pandemics can turn into plagues. When I'm in the grave, my family is good. Return on investments turn into blessings. Now I can invest in the hood. Bust it right on Jesse, right on Taylor, right down the street from Norwood. North.
Well done.
Drop that bitch. This is my 1996 Chevy Impala SS. Full suspension has been done. Things coming. Coilovers for the rear. Coil pack conversion will be coming soon. She needs some paint, but original spare tire, 100,000 miles on it. Air conditioning works, everything. I got floor mats. Those are ready. Put it back too. Like I said, she needs paint. I've only had it for maybe 2 months, and I've already done all the suspension, so we're getting there, slowly but surely. Sharp Shop garage. My son's little pedal car right there. Got him. We have lower dash needs to be installed. Lower dash. That's what that is. Those are the old seats that I've already replaced. Those are for sale. I got my lettering, green already, from GM. That's for when I do that paint job. And what's in that box? Let's see. Mind you, I've only had the car 2 months. lower dash trim right there. But for the original, that's already on the car. They got a brand new key. Can't see it in there. Pull it out. Gotta be fragile with these things. Gray door panel. New key. Only thing is, mine's is leather, this one's cloth, so I will have to get that redone eventually, but there's no rush. I just ordered the rear sub box for it. I have to get a couple more speakers and a few more things, but that's what's planned for the Impala 96 SS. Let's go to the Sharp Shop shed and see what's in there for the Impala. Eventually you guys see some yard work going on. Gotta take this big boy down, filter and all that apart. Got a big backyard. So, gotta see some work going on back here too. Sharp Shop shed. What's this? Motherfucker's been sitting 10 years. Good old BMW. It's my boy's dad's bike. I don't know nothing about him. In the Sharp Shop shed, we have subs on subs and tires and subs. But for the Impala, this bottom box down here is some knockers. Sundown Audio 12s. That's what's going in there. I just ordered the box 2 days ago. So when the box comes, I can take those out. Probably get a new amp. That's a Gravity. Just having my Integra with the fan I put on there. That thing get hot. That's what's for the Impala. Soon to come. Other than that,